Hello friends, in previous lecture of this chapter, we see in this sublattice we see definition and examples, also in products, definition and example. Now, in this lecture we are going to study homomorphism, lattice homomorphism. Here for definition, let L and K be a lattice. Let L and K be lattices. F from L to K is said to be lattice homomorphism if joint preserving and mid preserving. If F is joint preserving and mid preserving. F is joint preserving and mid preserving. That means here for all A comma B belongs to L, f of A join B is equal to f of A join f of B, and f of A mid B is equal to f of A mid f of B. Joint preserving and mid preserving. And a bijective homomorphism is called lattice isomorphism. A bijective and bijective, that means a 1-1 onto. Bijective lattice homomorphism is called lattice isomorphism. If this map is 1-1 onto and homomorphism from L to K, then we say that L and K both lattices are isomorphic. Both lattices are isomorphic to each other. Isomorphic to each other. L is a lattice, f of L is a image in K. F of L is a sublattice of K is isomorphic to that means f of K f of L is isomorphic, is a sublattice of K and it is isomorphic to L. So here F is a lattice isomorphism then F inverse image from K to L is also lattice isomorphism. If F is a lattice isomorphism from L to K, then F inverse from K to L is also lattice isomorphism. We write here notation, we write L, this symbol. That means to indicate K has a sublattice K has a sublattice which is isomorphic to L. K is a sublattice which is isomorphic to L. Now, for bounded lattices, for L and K, consider a map F from L to K such that f of 0 is equal to 0. That means this 0 belongs to L and this 0 belongs to K. 0 means here bottom, okay, and f of 1 is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. Such a maps are called zero-one homomorphism. That means image of 0 is 0 and image of 1 is 1 under this homomorphism. Then this homomorphism is called 0-1 homomorphism. This homomorphism is called 0-1 homomorphism. One proposition here, let L and K be lattices. Let L and K F is mapping from L to K. L to K. The map. First, then the following are equivalent. A. F is order preserving. F is B. For all A, B belongs to L, f of A join B greater than or equal to f of A join f of B. C. For all A comma B belongs to L, A f of A meet B less than or equal to del f of A meet f of B. F of A meet f of B. In particular, F is a homomorphism F is homomorphism, then F is order preserving. And second, F is lattice isomorphism. If and only if F is order isomorphism. If and only if it is order isomorphism. Here we first show equivalence. That means F is mapping from L to K given. Now take F is order preserving and then show this. Also show this. Using this, show F is an order preserving. Now here first, here take F is order preserving. F is order preserving. Now that means A, by connecting lemmas here, A is related to B implies F of A related to F of B. Okay, this is given, order preserving. If A is related to B, then F of A is related to B. By connecting lemma, here A join B is equal to B. A join B is equal to B. Now here F of A join B is equal to F of B. This implies F of A join B is equal to F of B. Now from this, F of A related to F of B join of F of B to both sides. That means take F of A join F of B. This is equal to F of A join, sorry, not equal, F of B join F of B. Take join with F of B to both sides. F of A join F of B, F of B join F of B. Here F of B join F of B is equal to F of B. Okay, and we get the result here. F of A join F of B less than or equal to F of B, and F of B is here. From this is equal to F of A join B. We get this B result. Okay. Now similarly take first and by connecting lemma here, A meet B is equal to F of A. A meet B is equal to F of A. Here, sorry, by connecting lemma, A meet B is equal to A. This implies f of A meet B is equal to f of A. Okay. Take here f of A related to f of B. F of A related to f of B. Take meet with f of A to both sides. F of A meet f of A related to f of A meet f of B. Here this gives f of A related to f of A meet f of B. F of A meet f of B. And here put the value of f of A. F of A is equal to A meet B. F of A meet B related to here f of A meet f of B. We get this result. Second, we get this result. Okay. Now, conversely, that means take F is homomorphism. Take or assume F is a homomorphism and we show that F is order preserving. We show that. Now show that order preserving. Let A is related to B. Let A is related to B. This implies by connecting lemma A meet B is equal to A. A meet B is equal to A. This gives f of A meet f of B is equal to f of A. By homomorphism, this gives f of A meet f of B is equal to f of A, and clearly f of A meet f of B is equal to f of A, then this implies f of A related to f of B. That means if we take A related to B and to show, we take A related to B and to show f of A related to f of B, that means this gives order preserving. This gives order preserving. Okay. Now, second, this second result. Assume that F is lattice isomorphism. F is lattice isomorphism, and want to show order isomorphism. To show F is an order isomorphism. Here, take A related to B. A related to B. Now, A join B is equal to B. A join B is equal to B, and A meet B is equal to, here A join B, f of A join B is equal to f of B. This gives here lattice isomorphism. Therefore, f of A join f of B is equal to f of B. That means this gives double implication. F of A related to f of B. A related to B if and only if f of A related to f of B. This gives f is order M binding. F is order M binding, and it is f is 1 1 and 2. So f is order isomorphism. F is order isomorphism. Conversely, here assume F is order isomorphism. F is order isomorphism. Assume F is order isomorphism. And to show F is lattice isomorphism. Now, from that means we want to show f of A join B is equal to f of A join f of B, and f of A meet B is equal to f of A meet f of B. These two, F is order isomorphism, so it is 1 1 and 2. F is, this is homomorphism, and F is 1 1 and 2, so it is lattice isomorphism. So it is lattice isomorphism. Now, from 1b, we know f of A join B greater than or equal to f of A join f of B, number 1. We want to show only f of A join B, f of A join B related to f of A join f of A join f of B belongs to K. F is surjective. That means onto F is surjective. Therefore, there exists C belongs to L such that f of A join f of B is equal to f of C. F of A join f of A join f of B is equal to f of C, and this gives f of A related to f of C and f of B related to f of C. Okay? F of A related from this. F of A is related to f of C, f of B related to f of C. Now F is order isomorphism. Therefore, order M binding. This gives A is related to C and B is related to C, since F is order M binding. That means order preserving both way. Order preserving both way. And this gives here A join B. A join B is related to C. Again, A join B is related to C. That means by order preserving, F of A join B related to F of C. Here, F of A join B, put the value of F of C. F of C is here. F of C is F of A join F of B, number 2. Here, number 2. From 1 and 2, we get from 1 and 2, we get F of A join B is equal to F of A join F of B. We get one result. Similarly, F of A meet F of B, we get similarly, we get F of A meet F of A meet F of B. That means these two relations give homomorphism, lattice homomorphism. But F is bijective, that means 1, 1 and 2, and lattice homomorphism satisfied. So F is lattice isomorphism. So F is a lattice isomorphism. Okay? We will stop here. Thank you.